Hey everybody, this is Eric with VBAstring.com, and I hope you're doing well. I'm coming at you with a video about how to do an if statement in a custom function. Here is the result. We're trying to evaluate this particular column, column E, to see whether the price here evaluates to a true or false to qualify them for free shipping. Here's the importance of a custom function, and well, the importance is that you use a custom function whenever there's not a function that Excel provides already. So here Excel doesn't provide a function that evaluates the value of the price. So anyway, here my function is called free shipping. I'm going to F2 inside of the cell. The function is called free shipping. And it's evaluating this particular column, column C. Again, you can get the code at vbastring.com in the description below. Let me show you over here the VBA window. And where is it at? Oh, here it is. Okay. It is at vbastring.com. So I'm putting this custom function in a module. The scope of a module is it's public to every worksheet in the workbook. So, and if you want to use a custom function, you're gonna have to put it in a module. You're gonna have to put it in a module. So, if by free ship, and by default, it's public. So, which means that everything can see it. It's a global function. Um, so I don't need to prefix it with public. I could if I wanted to. Public, but it's just extra typing. It's assumed. Public. So I don't type it for y'all because I'm a slow typer, but that's okay. So free shipping, and I'm passing in the argument DBL price as double. I'm passing in this argument, and it's going to be a double data type. Okay, so double data type. I have two, but it returns a string. So I'm passing in a double, and it returns a string. It's kind of like, okay, you take a basketball, you pass the ball, and then somebody else shoots it. So, they're all doing different operations. So here I'm passing in a double and outputting a string. So I'm saying, okay, well, whatever I passed in, is it greater than 14.99? Because if anything is greater than 14.99, it qualifies for free shipping. And if not, it's false. So if the price is greater than $14.99, then free shipping is true. If otherwise, free shipping equals false. Okay, so let's look at the first one. Excuse me. The first one here, free shipping. The price is $14. Okay, well, here's how I trigger that function to play. So I can go ahead and F2 and I can go bang. And here I press enter, and here I'm the triggering my public function. I put a breakpoint here. Public function, free shipping. My price I'm passing it is $14 as string. I'm saying I'm pressing F8 to go down, step through this. If my price, which is 14, is 14.99, again, the reason I named it as a double, well, I don't think I said this, but the reason I put this as a double is so I can evaluate decimal places. The double data type is really good. I like to use it a lot just because it has decimal places, and out of I have single and decimal, I don't really want to use those. The precision is good with double, so I'm going to use it. So, DBL price, blah blah blah. It's not. It's $14. So it's gonna fall into this category down here. If this, then this. Okay, now free shipping has a value of the string false. And so I am going to go ahead and see my result back on my sheet. False. Okay. And then I can go ahead and autofill this down if I want to. Okay, notice that up here in the formula bar, you have free shipping. You can see the syntax of whatever your function is. So here I have C4 blah blah blah. This is greater than 6480. So anyway, this is a simplistic application, but basically I could take this now and filter it if I wanted to. Anything I could do data and filter for my free shippings of true or false. I get everything that qualifies for free shipping. Bang, here I have them here. Okay, and all these prices. If not, I go ahead and do all. Great. Hope you enjoyed that. Again, you can go to vbastring.com and you can get the code vbastring.com, and the exact link I'm going to show you down there in the description. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you get value out of this video. And I'm going to have other videos too, and other things I post on the website. So stay up to date. Okay, like this video. Thanks for your attention, and I will talk with you soon.